Welcome to the Planar Video Wall Calculator. This free online tool allows you to design, configure, and compare between planar video wall products. So without further ado, let's get started. First off, there are two different ways to start designing and configuring a video wall. The most basic option is to jump right in by using the Start Here button. Lower on the home screen is an option to start your design with a specific planar video wall product, with unique product highlights for each planar video wall product. Let's get started with a new project. The black menu bar above the canvas area contains your project details. You have project name, access to the home screen, tutorial video, reset design, my projects, save project, export, and request a quote. Everything below in the light gray menu bar deals with the current project. On the left are design configurations, where you can add up to 3 designs per project. View options are here. Currently, we are in the video wall editor. This is where you'll design your video walls. Next is design drawing, which displays the mounting bracket structure, mounting points, and dimensions for the video wall. Following that is power cabling, which illustrates the recommended power cable routing for the video wall. And finally, video cabling shows the recommended video cable routing for the video wall. From there are specifications, where you'll find detailed data on the video walls that you've configured. Then, choose the unit of measurement you want to work in, feet or meters. In the lower left are video wall setup, room setup, and content setup tabs, which will further help customize and visualize your video wall design. Finally, in the lower right are canvas tools. These allow you to zoom out or in, reset the scale and position of your canvas, and then show or hide the video wall dimensions. The canvas tools are another useful feature of the video wall calculator. The canvas tools can be accessed simply by clicking directly on the video wall, or hidden by clicking anywhere on the canvas area. With the simple touch of a few buttons, you can quickly edit your video wall design on the canvas, add or subtract displays, and choose a different product or model. Let's start a second design configuration. I'll use the Video Wall Setup tab in the lower left menu area to access the more advanced configuration options. Here you can set the product and model you want to configure. For planar TVF, for example, you can force a 16:9 aspect ratio, and then select from the product-specific options and add on accessories unique to specific products or models. Let's start a third design configuration. The Room Setup tab opens up the controls for editing your room layout. Turning off the auto room size will allow you to adjust the room size for your video wall. Then input your custom room dimensions here. To help visualize your video wall in a specific environment, select from this drop-down list of supplied options. And this option allows you to show or hide a person to add scale to your setup. A great feature is the ability to upload a custom room photo to help you get a preview of the way your video wall might look in your actual space. First-time users can refer to this Show Me How button to go through a guided walkthrough and learn how to use this tool, but I'll walk you through the steps right now. I have a photograph saved on my computer of my room environment, so I'm going to select Add Custom Image and select my photo from my desktop. Next, I'm going to set the width and height of my room's wall dimensions. In this case, I know my wall is 23 feet wide by 12.5 feet tall. You want to make sure the dimensions of the physical wall in your photo are correct to ensure that the video wall is represented as accurately as possible. And then I'll scale and position the wall outline to match the edges of the installation wall in my photo. This wall size ratio is determined by the physical dimensions entered, so be as accurate as possible when entering the physical wall dimensions. Once the wall outline is lined up, click Done, and view the configured video wall superimposed over the uploaded environment photo and make any changes necessary. If you're not happy with your photo, you can select Edit or Delete and start over. The Content Setup tab is where you can select preloaded screen content images. You may also upload your own content to view on your video wall designs. Once you have completed the video wall design setup process, you can save your design by clicking the Save Project button in the top right. Here you can give your project a title and a client name. These project attributes will be utilized in the PDF export feature to personalize the project documentation. To access a list of your saved projects, click on My Projects to view all previously saved projects. Each project has the following options: Edit Project Info, Load Project, Share Project Link, and Delete Project. At the very top of this list, access and edit your account settings or log out. Beyond saving and emailing your project, there are a number of ways to export your video wall project for documentation and communication. The first option, PDF Summary, will generate a detailed PDF document containing your video wall configuration specifications, images, design drawings, and cable diagrams. Additionally, if you had previously saved your project with a title and client name, these custom attributes will be added to the PDF, allowing you to create a personalized PDF. The second option, Images, will generate image files for your video wall configurations for designs 1, 2, and 3. The third option, Excel, allows you to export your video wall configurations and specifications data into a standard XLS format. And finally, the Request a Quote option will forward us your project and contact information, and one of our Planar sales representatives will contact you about your project request. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to helping you with your video wall design needs.